with noise levels where I get headaches and nausea. To wrap this up, Jake was being what seemed to be louder than his usual loud earlier, and I snapped and told him to, for once in his damn life, just be quiet. Obviously, that didn't go well, and now he's mad at me, but he's also making it a point to prove how quiet he can be, and that it's just me making things up when I say he's too loud. Am I the asshole? Edit to add. I've had friends and family point out how obnoxiously loud Jake is, and even ask me if he struggles from hearing loss. He doesn't, and if that's why he's so loud.